Hey Big Tractor Power fans, this is Josh from Tractor Chasers, and in today's video we are out in the central New York field where a Case IH Magnum 275 tractor is pulling a BOURGAULT CD872 K-Series air seeder planting winter wheat. In this video I will share with you the machine's production history, original price tag, and specifications. We'll also climb up in the cab with Ian, the operator, to learn more about this planting setup. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear this tractor at work. The Case IH Magnum 275 tractor is powered by a 275 horsepower, 504 cubic inch CNH 8.9 liter diesel engine. It is equipped with a 180 gallon fuel tank. This tractor was produced from 2007 through 2011 in Case IH's factory in Racine, Wisconsin. It had an original price tag of $197,940. The Case IH Magnum is pulling a BOURGAULT CD872 K-Series air seeder. This has a 26-foot working width, a total hopper capacity of 200 bushels, and this air seeder folds up to a transport width of 9 feet 10 inches. The BOURGAULT air seeder was manufactured in their facility in St. Brew, Saskatchewan in Canada. Alright guys, we are up in the cab of the 275 Magnum here, pulling the BOURGAULT grain drill. And riding along with Ian. Ian, how do you like this BOURGAULT grain drill?
I love it. It's built super heavy. It does an amazing job with placing seed. Super easy to calibrate. You can just calibrate it all on the monitor, and it's the amount of adjustability. You can change the closing or the opener pressure. They're all hydraulic cylinders, so I can change it right here from the monitor, and so it's just simple, easy to use. Yeah, it just works. Yeah, that's the biggest thing.
And what width is this one?
This is a 25-foot model, so they offer bigger, but for around here, 25 works well for getting down our roads and stuff. So
yeah, you're able to run it. Looks like about 5 miles an hour or so. Or?
Yeah, about 5. I've gone faster if field conditions allow it. But normally right around 5, it turns the meters on for by itself, so it's calibrated at 5 miles an hour. So,
and this has like the hopper setup where you're not just putting seed in the hopper, right? You've got.
Yep. Yeah. So this particular one has 3 different hoppers. So right now I'm only using one with winter wheat. There's the middle tank. You can have it. It has its own meter, but you can also have it open to flow into the back tank. So, and then you can also put dry fertilizer in and put that down if you're planting like soybeans in the spring. You can put it all down in one pass to give midrow banders. So it's a nice one-pass tool.
Yeah. And the neat thing to me is that this grain drill also folds up pretty narrow, right?
I mean, with this tractor spaced on 120 inches for row crop, and when it's folded up, the air seeder's narrower than the tractor, which for New York roads is really nice. So
yeah,
it has nice 700 metric tires on it, so it floats really well. Tested that out this spring, and the tractor will sink a lot more than the air seeder will. So
yeah. And does the 275 Magnum seem to have enough power to pull it, or?
Yeah, surprisingly, with this spring I didn't have weight on the front. The weight on the front's nice. I've been able to steer everywhere, but yeah, even in some of our nasty hills, it has enough power. So it's more of a weight thing. You just got to be careful when you're turning on the hills. You just got to pay attention.
Yeah. And is this your first season running the drill or second season with it?
This is the second season with the drill. This is the first year that I ran it. We just no-tilled last year, and then not a lot, and then this year we used it quite heavily. So
yeah,
it was nice. It was a wet spring, so it was nice. Just go around, open up, smooth off where some ruts were in the corn field from last year, and then just go in and plant it and not have to do more tillage and waste time. So
yeah. And what are we planting today?
we're planting winter wheat, organic winter wheat right now. Mainly soybeans with this, and then this spring we also put in hay seedings with it. So Timothy alfalfa in one tank, and then oats in another, which is really nice with this. So
Yep.
just changed up. And this, we just different meters for different size grains, and so just calibrate them and rough and run it. So.
I think it's a really neat setup. The way it transport's pretty narrow and has those big tires on it. And
yeah, and it's all the meters are controlled off from our ag leader GPS, so changes your rate based on speed, and you don't really see a delay in that. And as soon as you speed up or slow down, the meters change.
with that hydraulic down pressure, do you notice the benefit of it getting into those dips more? Or?
Yeah, with this, you can seed right through ruts and 6-8 inches deep, and it'll still plant the seed 2 inches deep with soybeans or inch with wheat. So it's really does a good job compared to others with uneven.
I imagine you get a muddy season or you got some ruts in the field, it's got to be nice to get good seed to soil contact all the time.
Yep. Yeah, and the nice thing with with the larger closing wheels in the back, this spring there was some fields that were pretty lots of clumps, and it does a great job of breaking all that up. And, yeah, you get a really good seed to soil. I would say you get a better seed to soil contact with this than our Kinsey planter and soybeans.
Oh, yeah. So. Nice. I hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with this Case IH Magnum 275 tractor pulling a BOURGAULT CD872 K-Series air seeder. Do you run a BOURGAULT air seeder on your farm? Leave a comment below telling us what model and what size you run. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the Big Tractor Power YouTube channel, where you'll find over 3,000 videos of farm equipment in action. Thank you for watching.